So today we're going to be looking at replacing the air vents on the Micra. So the problem that I've had is the air vents have been missing these. So these locate the air vents here and also here, and it's the same on the driver's side. And then the air vent will literally just slot in like so. Well, sort of. You need to sort of wriggle it in a fashion. Now the weird thing is, even though this one has RH written on it, it seems to sit best actually on the left hand side, which doesn't really sort of make any logical sense. So I have a small selection of those, and we're going to try first off by actually just putting them into here. Now it's best to do this job on a relatively cool day, because you want to keep the doors closed so that these don't escape into, well, outside of the car really. So at that point they become more difficult to recover. And there we go, just pop that one in there. So this is going to be attempt number one. I really don't think they were designed to go in this way originally. Now the vent goes in with the larger parts of the vent facing downwards, and the smaller part of the vent, as you can see there, it's larger at the bottom than it is at the top. So let's go in from the side. So you need to get it past the dash, and once you get in there, there's a bit more space. So I'm going to try going in at a slight angle, try and get that side actually into the cavity, and then work the other side in as well. It does take a few attempts, that's the thing that you have to remember. And as you can tell, that's just one of those has just fallen off. You can see there that that's kind of almost in, about there, and that side would be in as well. But the problem is I haven't got it in properly because we're missing one on the other side. And there we go, it's in. And as you can see, that fits perfectly. Now what I did was I went a slightly different way about it, and I'll try to repeat that on the driver's side so you can actually see what I did. But again, this is where things are confusing. Even though it says RH, it actually sits on, actually seems to fit better on the left hand side of the car, which means the one part marked LH will probably fit better on the right hand side of the car. Also need to touch up some of this as well, but from a distance it's not too bad. Ideally I'd like to wipe all of this down and redo it, although to be honest it hasn't actually lasted too badly. This one's lasted pretty well as well actually. But yeah, there we go, that's a lot better. Let's move over and do the driver's side. So first off, we go in at a slight angle, and we've got the black locating washers actually on the vent itself. We then need to rotate it slightly so it sort of straightens itself out like so, and there, and it's in. And there you go, now you've got the vent sorted out, it moves and it stays in position, which it wasn't doing previously. And all sorted. And there you go. Anyway, just a very quick video. Hope you found this useful. If you have, don't forget to hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. Take care, and thanks for watching.